Hello, Mom and Sir. Good morning. I want to introduce myself. My name is Annalyn Shelley Legitan, 30 years of age. I'm a single mother, blessed with a 9-year-old, one boy. My experience is working there in Hong Kong for 2 years, finished contract, and my main duties are taking good care of the two children, which is 1-year-old girl and a 7-year-old girl. I also maintain the cleanliness of the house and prepared family meals. Mom and Sir, please accept me as your domestic helper because I am a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and very organized person. I want to work again in Hong Kong to support my child and my family also. Mom and Sir, I hope to see you soon there in Hong Kong.